Let's make a delicious hearty soup made with collard greens, smoked ham, and black-eyed peas in your Instant Pot. Start with turning on your sauté setting. Add olive oil, crushed garlic, onions, celery, carrots, and Cajun seasoning. Sauté until the vegetables are soft and the onions are translucent. Next, add in your smoked ham, hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, black-eyed peas, collard greens, and these are going to fill to the top. That's okay because when you cook them, they're going to shrink, and chicken broth. Lock the lid and turn on manual high for 10 minutes. Fast release. Give it a stir. Serve with some cornbread and you have a delicious meal. For full recipe and tips, visit aforkstail.com.